Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, disconnect everything and clear your bench so you can focus. Use a small Phillips and flat pry to remove screws and gently separate the shell. Do not force plastic clips. Once open, visually inspect for burnt components, swollen capacitors, or loose wiring. Use a magnifier to identify breaks and note how the PCB sits inside. You want photos or a quick sketch so reassembly is exact. Keep screws organized. Having parts labeled saves time when you return to soldering. Now, power testing without mains. First, confirm the input fuse and primary components with continuity mode. They often fail. Once safe, plug in and measure AC to the rectifier output and then DC output rails, watching for expected voltages. This tells you where the fault lies. If you find a short, isolate by lifting one leg of suspicious ICs or components. Replace bulging electrolytics and any visibly damaged diodes or MOSFET. You use the meter readings to prioritize solder. You now swap in matched components, capacitors with proper voltage and ESR, diodes and MOSFET of equivalent specs, and any burn traces bridged with fine wire. Solder joints must be shiny and solid. Trim leads and reseat the PCB. Once reassembled, test output under a light resistive load of 5 to 10 watts to confirm stability and correct voltage. If the charger still misbehaves, probe the PWM controller and feedback optocoupler. These often control regulation. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.